love I give, maybe it's all you got. Think about it, what makes me smile? The politician, once in a while. I told you you were special, I believe it myself. We're all unique and special, just like our parents. And this one goes as far as let you in. You can't just like him, baby, it's all you got. It makes me smile. The politicians, the two that once in a while. Some things less than longer. This makes me smile. The politician, the truth every once in a while. I've been longer. Now it makes me smile. The politician, the truth every once in a while. Good to be here tonight. The hearts that all fail. All days we know. Great depression now spread. Got more to play and more big song. Going to work, got depression. Everyone's free to care. All this world's all in trouble. Home's in heaven, I'm going. It's dark out, midnight near. Tribulation, time will come. Oh, midnight fear. Sleep lost millions that day. I'm going to work, there's no depression. Everyone's free to care. All this world's all in trouble. Home's in heaven. We know the great depression now spread. God's word declared, no it may so. Going away, there's no depression. Your land's free to care. All this world's all in troubles. My home's in heaven, I'm going there. Next song's on our third record called We Roll On. Our fourth record's coming out in June. It's called Once Again. So once again, it's called Far Enough.
Here we go. 1, 2.
The horizon fades, the dawns are light. Comes up in the east, just looking for a fight. Yeah, alright. Stopping old daylight, it's like a knife through the clouds. The only force is the shadows to cover more ground. Yeah. I can't see far enough. I can't see far enough. I can't see far enough to tell. Between the present, some futures past tense. Well, you bust up, break down. So it might make some sense. I can't see far enough. I can't see far enough. I can't see far enough to tell. Slouches that rough beast that sets over the ocean, rises up in the east. I can't see far enough. I can't see far enough to tell. Hey! How about that? Y'all doing all right? Everybody feeling good? Hope you're feeling good. Jeremy's feeling good back there on the drum.
Feeling real good. Oh, that sounds awesome. Feeling real good.
Yeah, just turn him off.
It's got that good tone.
It's gonna be here tonight. This is not a newer song, but it's kind of a newer song. It's a song that we worked on at an old farmhouse, and then it came into the song. It's the first song we rolled on. And it's a song that's called "We Roll On." Right? So 24 hours is music gonna happen. Okay. Y'all enjoy yourselves, all right? Keep it neat, keep it neat. It's okay to boogie. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Our legs are sore, our bellies tight. We'll burn our feet on desert sand, lead us to that promised land. Well, pass the tablets all around and line us up and cut us down. Let us know, Pharaoh, let my people go. Well, hands go splattered on the door, Egyptian children cry no more. We rock! Spare the rod, we're children of a vengeful God. Throw on Moses, part that sea, ain't nobody gonna make a slave out of me. We rock, we rock, we rock, we How about that? The city is wearing me out. So much traffic and commotion that I could do without. Gotta go to a cabin high in the snow. Come sunrise, that's exactly where I'll go. I'm gonna have promises and promises I can. Yeah, I'm gonna have promises and promises I can. Darkness and storm. From the smartphone, all you smoke-filled bars. Never fought more, but I knew of my scars. Like a junkyard full of old busted cars. Gonna promises and promises I can. Yeah, gonna have promises and promises I can. gonna have voices that follows him again. Again. Tearing me out. So many cracks in this illusion I could do without. I gotta get to a company high up in the stone. When my work here is done, that's where I'm gonna go. Gonna go somewhere. Thanks a lot. We're the Trainwrecks. Hi, how are y'all? That's Stu. I'm Jason. That's Colin. That's Jarman on the drum. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
This next one's called Struggle. Man's hard to make me sit still. I raise my glass and fill it up till I get my fill. I'm laying back trying to sleep to make me up to speak, so I will. These days I was a restless man, it's hard for me to sit still. I'm not for the struggle, even the strive, or without reaching, do you even try? The more pain you take, and the more you get by. The more pain you take, the more you get away. It's alright, yeah, alright. I'm like on that mountaintop, stand right there on the edge. With my face down right there on the edge. You gotta do what you gotta do. Nobody fear fucking time without reaching until you try. The more pain you take and the more you get by. The more pain you take, the more you get love this time. Yeah, alright. See you. Good.
Are you having a good time?
Why don't I play the Oh, we are. We always love playing music for folks. It's always a joy. Hey! I'm dying, I don't want nobody to moan. All I want for you to do is take my body home. Well, I can die easy. Well, I can die easy. Jesus gonna make up, Jesus gonna make up, Jesus gonna make up my dying bed. Won't you leave me when I'm found? So I can die easy. So I can die easy. Jesus gonna make up. Jesus gonna make up my dying bed. for the town, and she hit the line. She's riding on the easy side, and she'll get alright. And she left Texas in the middle of the night, and to get on down, she head down the worst town with a little foot fine, and she said, I never go back again. I never go back again. I never go back again. I rode on down the eastern sea and find a way. I was easy across the interstate, and she had a way. And they right there in my creek, had to get out west. So I rode on down to the Colorado line, and she like that. And she said, go back again. Go back again. Go back again. Back again. Hey! Back to Houston with say I didn't know quite well that she ever stayed. I went back down to Dallas town, yeah, sure fine. I went back down to Austin town and found a little super guy. But she said, we ain't never coming back again. We ain't never coming back again. Never coming back again. Back again. We were going to do a cover song to close out the night, but we figured we'd do one of our own. How about that? Should we do a Nirvana song to end out the night? Should we do that? Yeah.
All right, do our shit.
All right, y'all start. Can I sit down while we play it? Well, the train wrecks have been a pleasure playing for y'all.